Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, go into device settings and choose Bluetooth. Now click on the switcher if it's not already on to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. Click on the one that you want to connect to. Select pair and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always forget this connection by clicking on this icon next to the device and choosing Unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!